Nuair a heb an tigar Celtic, chuir sé isteach go mórmhórs de Daingean, cosú le gach baile timpeall an tír. Im mbliana tá sé peocha suas. Bhí láthair tá na chuid Forbairtí sa Daingean. An taine bhíonn na Forbairtí im lána ag an Phobail. Sco go méid na Forbairtí as na rá flií.
So do you know what's being constructed down the back of Garvey's?
There's definitely something going on back there. They've paved a new car park to the side of it, and I think they're putting an extension on the main building.
Well, I know that there's some construction work going on, but I'm not too sure what it is. I don't know, are they extending the car park or are they building onto the supermarket?
I'm not sure. I hope it's something that kids can go in and out, like let's say an amusement park.
Well, nílam rochintje ach sílam goil siad an alwar go lachna store ní smó hoga ach mar dúirt nílam rochintje sin scéal hólama.
I'm not 100% sure. I just know that my two little toddler boys love to watch all the action down there, the construction with the cranes and the diggers, so we have to go really slowly every time we pass that area. We're positioned at the top of Green Street. We've seen the last week or so a lot of the construction vehicles going by, doing up the little car park for the church. So there's definitely a lot happening in that area. On Grays Lane, they're building a restaurant, and I heard it's going to be a bakery as well, to see 120 people, which I was a bit surprised about because it didn't look like a huge space, but I think you can see that they're doing the 2 floors. And I heard it'll be opened sometime next year, but again, it's all hearsay.
Well, it's a good cailltear súil trust an bhór.
Tá si domán tógála mbéal agus chuntasí bé teach bacéir an stoi. Sin a scéal hóla mé nílas agam do mé sé fír ach sin scéal hóla.
Áfach tá daoine áirithe atá an inside track acu. Is good cailltear Forbairtí las mo?
Well, an rud a dhéanamh go mítí Garvey san Albar agus an Forbairtí mór an deasan so. Go méid an oscailt inis na customéidí teachta seachán déobh so. Agus go méid na leabharthaid ag déanamh na deliveries an trí hagan míad na seachbhéal áid an chóldar is hir. So big farsing mór san áit na big in job cíochna. Go níana sé maithas agus go méid post na bise beidir le fáil san Albar go maic seach ama.
Anis na Forbairtí.
We're building a new state-of-the-art super value store. It's been some time since any money was invested in Garvey Super Value in Dingle, so the shop is a little dated. So we're investing back into the community, and we'll have a new super value store shortly. It is going to be, I suppose, 14 to 15,000 square feet in size. We will have a new scratch bakery. We will have locally produced fruit and veg. We will be supporting the local producers. We will have a lot of new things and exciting things to come. The new entrance is going to be just opposite the old one. It will be between Flaherty's bar and the store itself, just next to Flaherty's at the back. The old entrance, the supermarket is extending across that way, but there'll still be more parking spaces there at the back. We hope and we're confident that the new store will be ready and operational for Easter 2015. We feel that we don't have enough space for what we want to offer the people of Dingle and the tourists. Obviously it's a very attractive tourist attraction. Last year was a very good year in Dingle, 2014, or this year, sorry, and we're very hopeful that in the next few years to come that things are on the up.